Holy cow, we're back.
Yes.
We got more Halloween fun.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, what do you got today? A green goblin?
That's what I'm calling this drink. And so we're trying the absinthe again. We did this in April and we made kind of a lemonade spritz out of it. This drink is a little bit more tropical, but still fun for Halloween, I think. So I'm going to add a little bit of green glitter to it as well, just to make it pretty. So I made a butterfly pea syrup as well. So this is blue, and then pineapple juice is citrusy and yellow. So hopefully it'll make it a nice green to complement the green absinthe. We'll see how it works. I'll just do.
Yeah, so the Lyre's absinthe has verbena, anise, which is where that kind of licoricey flavor comes from, and a bunch of herbs.
This doesn't really have much flavor to it. Its butterfly pea is very subtle, floral. It's more about the color and the way that it reacts with citrus. Maybe it'll just turn a nice green color. What is your favorite thing about Halloween?
My favorite thing about Halloween? There's so many of them. Right now we're on a bent where we're watching The Simpsons Treehouse of Horrors. We were watching The Addams Family and all sorts of great Halloween movies. What's your favorite?
I just watched Hocus Pocus 2.
Yeah, that was nice.
A little bit of the sparkling brute from Frey here. So it's nice and green. Loving that. I know, you can see the nice sparkles.
You could do somebody's fortune based on the swirls.
I'm going to grab just a little bit of dry ice for these too. Hold on.
Okay.
I did make a little garnish as well. Poison green apples. Alright.
Oh.
We'll see how this turns out. Cheers.
Cheers.
Very sweet, but that's probably because of the pineapple juice.
But it still has a good complexity to it, though. I'm not really picking up too much of the super intense anise flavor.
No, the anise is definitely subtle. I get the verbena. I do get that earthy, grassy note in there. It's very festive with the...
Oh, you could just sit there, look at all the glitter just kind of boiling around with the... That's fun.
Yeah.
Mesmerizing.
Yes, it's definitely green. I love that.
This is, I'm surprised at how it's delicious.
Yeah, it's a little,
It's sweet, but...
Yeah, it's a little on the sweet side for me, and that might have been also the Frey, real easy to get at Bevmo. Appreciate that. They also have a really long line of de-alcoholized wines too.
What about drinkability?
Yeah, I give this a 6 for sure. I would definitely use Groovy next time. I think that would make it a little bit more dry, which I prefer. A little less sweet, which I also prefer. And maybe I would add...
You don't give bonus points for dry ice and glitter?
I mean, you get a little bit of
for presentation
points for that, I guess. But what did I say? 6? All right, 6.5. It's a fun drink.
Kids would love it.
I think
absolutely. And then the Lyre's absinthe goes for probably what, about 35?
35 is the normal price for it, but you could probably, combine it with some other bottles. If you buy on their website, if you buy 3 or 4 bottles, you get a discount, which is awesome, and you get to try a whole bunch of different drinks.
All right, excellent. Well, glad this came back into the mix, and happy Halloween.
Yeah, happy Halloween, everybody.